Looks like a very confident win, so it's a win again! Wow, great strategy as you can see. We got $230 net profit. Nice! Hello, I'm Camila. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an author's Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write me in private messages I want to join the VIP. It's absolutely free. See you! Today I will show you a very effective flat trading strategy. To do this, we need only two indicators, ADX and RSI. So, we go to the trading platform, I use Pocket Option, and I will leave the original link to the platform itself in the description. And we begin to set the settings necessary for this strategy. Watch this video till the end and I will tell you about my super useful trading guide, which you can get absolutely free today. Set the chart type to standard, candles. Time frame 1 minute and execution time is also 1 minute. In the Indicators tab, select ADX and RSI. Go to ADX style settings and uncheck D+ and D-. In the RSI settings, set period to 3. For today's strategies, the main entry condition is that ADX must be directed in the direction of entering the trade. We enter upside when the RSI is above 80 and downside when RSI is below 20. That's simple. So now let's move on to practice. Friends, before moving on to the practical development of my new trading strategy, I promised to tell you about my author's trading guide. My guide is a collection of my rules for organizing money management, which will help you earn big money trading without loss. Today, you can get my guide for free. What do you need to do? Follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it, and write me in private messages I want a guide. Do it right now, and then you will thank me. ADX is going down and RSI is lower than 30. So I'm entering a down trade. Yeah, it's a win! We got $230 net profit. Nice! Friends, I'll be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. And again, ADX is going down, RSI is lower than 30. I'm entering a trade. Okay, looks good yet. Looks like a very confident win, so... Yeah, and we won! Nice, it's another $230. RSI is higher than 70 and ADX is moving up. I'm entering up trade. Few seconds left and it's a win again! Wow, great strategy as you can see. In conclusion, the ADX plus RSI 3 binary option strategy is a powerful tool for market analysis and trading decision making. The combination of ADX and RSI allows us to assess the strengths of the trend and overbought or oversold assets, which helps us to determine the right moment to enter the market. We successfully applied the strategy and earned $690. For today, I have everything. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment. See you in my next video. Bye!